Let me tell you this. I just saw a video on the internet where this woman was sleeping with her side man while the other guy was at work or somewhere. But that man came home and caught them in bed late at night while the kids are on the floor sleeping. That is beyond disturbing. Let me tell you this. If I came home to my woman in bed with another man or another woman, let me tell you this. Everybody can say their last words. Everybody can say their last words. Because let me tell you this. You can choose your coffin. You can choose your coffin, but you will be no more. You need to have respect. You need to know what is wrong from what is right. You understand? You can't be living like this. How the hell can you have my kids on the floor sleeping while you take dick? You're telling me that dick is much more important than your kids, than your family? That's a no-no. Everybody will literally be 6 feet underground. There is no going around it. That is just sickening. That is absurd. I don't know what type of blood people have running through them. Some of these people, I'm wondering if they're on drugs. How can you literally throw your kids on the ground to go sleep with a man in the other room? That man won't want you. That man does not want you. It's not like that man is now going to just take you away from that man and start taking care of you and newborn babies. He's just trying to get his fill out. That man is just trying to bust a nut. You are nothing but a piece of paper to him. A piece of trash. Somewhere where he goes and dump off his stress. You are nothing but a lost cause to him. The easiest target for him is you. And it's sad to say that you can't see it too. You ruin your whole family over sleeping with a man who doesn't want you. Imagine if those kids was to grow up and know that you threw them on the ground to sleep with somebody else. That is not their father. That is beyond disturbing. Answer this question. If you came home and saw your partner, whether it be you saw your girlfriend, whether it be you saw your boyfriend sleeping with somebody else, what would you do? How would you react? Leave a comment and let me know. This is Raw Talk with T-Dog. I'll talk to you soon.